Hey there, science fans! Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than ever before. AI is everywhere, from self-driving cars to personalized recommendations on your favorite streaming platform. But building these AI systems is complex. It requires specialized skills and a lot of time. That's where ChatLLM Abacus AI Engineer comes in. It's a revolutionary tool that's changing the game for AI engineers, making the process faster, easier, and more efficient. Think of it like this. Building a skyscraper takes a lot of planning, coordination, and specialized tools. Now imagine having a super smart assistant that can help with every step, from designing the blueprints to ordering materials and coordinating with different teams. That's what ChatLLM Abacus AI Engineer does for AI engineers. It's like having a super-powered sidekick for building the future of AI. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into ChatLLM Abacus AI Engineer, explore its incredible features, and see how it's shaping the future of AI engineering. Get ready for an exciting journey into the world of AI. So, what exactly is ChatLLM Abacus AI Engineer? In simple terms, it's an advanced AI-powered platform designed to make building, deploying, and managing AI systems a whole lot easier. It's like a virtual AI engineering team at your fingertips, ready to assist with every step of the AI development process. Imagine this. You're an AI engineer working on a new project. You have a great idea, but building the AI model, training it on massive data sets, and deploying it into a real-world application can be a daunting task. This is where ChatLLM Abacus AI Engineer steps in to lend a helping hand. It acts as your AI co-pilot, guiding you through the entire process, automating complex tasks, and providing valuable insights to improve your AI models. ChatLLM Abacus AI Engineer is like a Swiss Army knife for AI engineers, equipped with a wide range of tools and functionalities to tackle any AI challenge. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for those who are new to the world of AI, making the power of AI accessible to everyone. Now let's pop the hood and take a look at some of the key features that make ChatLLM Abacus AI Engineer so powerful. First, there's the Adaptive AI Engineering Assistant. Imagine having an AI assistant that learns your preferences, anticipates your needs, and provides personalized recommendations. That's precisely what the Adaptive AI Engineering Assistant does. It's like having a dedicated AI partner that understands your project goals and helps you achieve them more efficiently. Next, we have automated model fine-tuning. Fine-tuning AI models can be a time-consuming and iterative process. ChatLLM Abacus AI Engineer simplifies this by automating the process using advanced algorithms to optimize your models for peak performance. This frees up your time to focus on more creative and strategic aspects of your AI projects. Then there's scalable AI pipelines. Building and deploying AI models at scale can be a logistical nightmare. ChatLLM Abacus AI Engineer makes it a breeze with its scalable AI pipelines. It allows you to seamlessly transition from prototyping to production, ensuring your AI models can handle real-world demands. Finally, we have advanced debugging and monitoring. Even the most well-designed AI models can encounter issues. ChatLLM Abacus AI Engineer comes equipped with powerful debugging and monitoring tools to help you identify and resolve issues quickly. It provides real-time insights into your model's performance, ensuring they're always running smoothly. ChatLLM Abacus AI Engineer is a game-changer for AI engineers, empowering them to work smarter, not harder. It's like having an extra set of hands, allowing engineers to focus on what they do best, innovating and solving complex problems. By automating tedious tasks, ChatLLM Abacus AI Engineer frees up valuable time for engineers to explore new ideas, experiment with different approaches, and push the boundaries of AI innovation. It's like giving your creativity a turbo boost. But the benefits go beyond just increased productivity. ChatLLM Abacus AI Engineer empowers engineers by providing them with the tools and insights they need to make better decisions, optimize their models, and ultimately build more effective AI solutions. It's like having a constant source of expert advice and guidance, helping engineers reach their full potential.